So check out your new playroom.
Wow! Alam mo, matutuwa si Nike dito.
Hello everybody, this is Jose from the Printerie and welcome to another exciting episode of Wall Makeover. And today we are here at the house of one of the most famous celebrities here in the Philippines, and super excited to install this for her and see her reaction. So let's start. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so check out your new playroom.
Wow! Alam mo, matutuwa si Nike dito.
Yes.
First, kasi siya pumili yan, yung design.
The Dino itself?
Yeah, siya.
Oh, that's so cute!
Siya pumili talaga niyan. Sabi niya, eto, mommy. I want
How
that.
how did he pick it from several designs that we...
Yes, pinakita ko sa kanya. And then, sabi ko, anong gusto mo dyan? Pili ka. Tapos ito yung unang-una niya nakita.
Talaga! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited na makita niya itong...
Ako din, excited. Alam mo ba, natutulog siya, nag-nap time siya. Bigla siyang gumising. Sabi niya, oh, gusto ko makita yung wallpaper ko sa room ko. Sabi ko, wala pa. Hindi pa nakakabit.
So tomorrow is a surprise natin.
Yes, tomorrow.
Thank you so much for
Thank
choosing
you.
us, Ryza.
Oo naman.
It's
Talagang ni-research ko talaga.
sobrang patient mo sa amin. So we appreciate that. And if you want to watch more of our wallpaper designs, no? And she will vlog it also.
Yes.
So you need to follow her, no, on her YouTube channel and her Instagram page also. So thank you so much, Ryza.
Thank you.
for
Super matutuwa si
working with
Nay.
us. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. And I hope we can do more projects together.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching! For more information and latest news, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us in our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok pages at theprinterie.shop. And stay tuned for our next wallpaper transformation.